Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I would show you how to replace gearbox oil on Volkswagen and others in dry DSG gearbox. If you guys are interested, let's have a look. So we need one mechatronic fluid, 1 liter of this, and 2 liters of gearbox oil, and pump like that, which I will show you after 2 seconds, and have a look for this oil and fluid numbers. So to refill gearbox oil we need the pump like this. This is hand pump. This is about 500 milliliters. The capacity is about 500 milliliters, and I did use the PCV hose. This is pneumatic hose, 8 millimeters hose for refilling the gearbox oil. But to refill mechatronic fluid I did use a brake pipe. The brake pipe is about 5 millimeters, and over this end of the brake pipe I put heat shrink. I will show you how it looks. This is something like this. This is used for protecting the cables for connectors. I did use one of this. I put it over the brake pipe, so it's nice and tidy into a bleeder in the gearbox. This is for mechatronic, yeah, the brake pipe. You have to get the pump like this, because if you use a funnel it doesn't work properly. So in here is drain plug for gearbox oil. The capacity is 1.7 liter. In here is a drain plug, gearbox oil, yeah. In here is drain plug for mechatronic fluid, and capacity is 0.7. I will use a clean bucket to drain this oil, and I will check the capacity with this tool to make sure that the capacity what is in the gearbox and mechatronic oil is correct. If I will be need a more, I will put the exactly amount. So this is the amount of the fluid. It's nearly 1 liter, so I will fill it up with 1 liter like was before to not get any problems. This is the fluid. And gearbox oil is about 1.8 liters, so I will fill up the same amount of oil to not get any problems. This is the number of oil, just it, yeah. On the next step we have to remove airbox. We need to remove this hose and plug over here. To remove airbox we need to take off this plastic. These are 2 screws, and then we can remove the connector what's going to the airbox. This is easy to remove, just pulls it up. The plug you need squash it down, remove, yeah. And also the clips is over here, you need to use pliers for it. Pull the pipe out. On these rubbers you can use a WD-40 to make them loose, to remove the airbox easier. I removed this plastic cap. Now I will remove this connector. Just use screwdriver to to pop it off. Just it. Pull the airbox up and shit comes off. Okay, airbox is off now. In here, where is the starter? Under the starter is a cap, is a bleeder for mechatronic oil. We have to take it off. Yeah, use a screwdriver for it, and then there is a tiny hole where you will put the brake pipe with the fluid, like I did show you on the top of the video, and we need to fill it up. Mechatronic oil in here. But for gearbox oil is the cap like this, and is close to the lever for a gear stick, yeah? Close there, yeah? Under the battery. It's on the back under the battery, yeah? Now I'm using hand pump to fill up mechatronic fluid. This is the one near the starter. Under the starter is bleeder, and to gearbox oil is in the back, like I did show you, and there is oil, yeah. Afterwards, make sure that the bleeders are closed, the caps are on properly, no leaks. Make sure that everything is on, and put the airbox back on. Make sure that the drain plugs are not loosened, and make sure that there's no leaks anywhere, and take the car for a run. That's it, done. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you are happy with my video, please leave me a like, subscribe my channel, leave a comment below what you think about it. Thank you very much, see you next time, bye.